This series of videos will address different technology obstacles in everyday law firms and our thoughts on how to overcome them. So first, if you're watching this on YouTube, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and hit the little notification bell to make sure that you're getting the videos that we put out for Law Firm Technology Talk. So in this video, we're going to talk about the sixth obstacle common to many law firms. Today, we're going to talk about compassion only takes you so far and having a business mindset. So do you find yourself as an attorney or a staff member always trying to balance your billables and provide excellent customer service and try and hit other goals? This really is a balancing act and can become very overwhelming. But what if I told you that you can provide amazing client experience and have an awesome business mindset? Well, it's true, and it's done through systems. Now, I'm not talking about systems like Windows or Mac OS. I'm talking about business systems. The interconnectedness of tying together your technology, your marketing, your processes, your customer service, making it work together through a system. What does that look like? In simple terms, we're going to be referring to your processes. And let me give you an example. Your law firm needs to make X amount of money every month to cover the overhead and put some money away as well. So the first thing you need to do is set goals for your team. They don't know what to reach for if you don't give them that information. This can be done with our free prospective client goal calculator. This is the start of developing your system. By entering your last 30 days of how many consults, agreements, etc., this will calculate your goal to reach how many agreements you need every month. This is based on your past 30-day conversions, and this calculator will do the math for you. Then you see your goals for how many initial contacts, consults, etc. that you need to reach your goal. Then you can monitor it, and you can get this for free on our website. Then you need a strong, manageable process. These should detail something like your intakes from initial call to engagement, then engagement to completion. The steps should be clear. This means that your team can always give a next step and set expectations for clients, providing amazing client service. You're not making the client guess on what they can expect next. So scripts are next. The intake script is very important. Every potential client should get the same experience and expectations. Very little should be something that has to deviate from your process. Setting these processes in place allows your team to have a framework to work within while working with prospective and existing clients. A script can tell them to remind the client of what they will receive via email or need to complete prior to a consult, or that they'll get a reminder call the day before the appointment. It can also give a summary of what the client can expect in the conference room to ease the potential client's concerns. If this is standardized, then the chance for miscommunications lessens and your customer service just went through the roof. The last one is reporting. Reporting allows you to see where your processes succeed and where they're failing. You can tweak processes to support your team while always having excellent customer service at the forefront of your process. Reporting will also show you if your process is supporting and strong enough to encourage enough people to engage your firm to meet your financial goals. It lets you see if you need to work with your marketing team to add some extra marketing campaigns to boost your initial calls. Reporting is the frame that holds the firm together. You can have the best processes in place and they can be the best in the world and your goals are set. But if you can't quantify that, then your processes, they're just out there. You don't know if they're working or if they're not. The last thing is being a team. We talked about this in our last video. A system in place is only as good as the team who will execute the processes. This is from your staff all the way up to the owner. The processes must be honored and the team must work as one to ensure everything flows. You can have the best processes, but let's say that someone is completing another team member's task without telling them. That other team member didn't know to do something, and that could mean that maybe documents aren't ready for a sign meeting. Everything has to work together, period, because the client experience is built into the process. By having a strong system in place with a series of goals, processes, scripts, reporting, and a strong team, then you have built the business mindset, and the processes support excellent customer service. They are cohesive and should always be considered together when developing systems in your business mindset. So if you do want to talk about developing new or streamlining existing processes and systems, or boosting your technology and database office use with us, absolutely schedule the free discovery meeting with us. We would love to hear about your weaknesses, strengths, and goals for the future and help you create a path to success with the use of a proper database and system with processes. Or maybe you just want to use your existing technology to its full potential to support you with your systems and processes. So schedule your free discovery meeting and set yourself up for real wins in 2024. We are certified with Lawmatics, Clio, and ActionStep legal databases. Now, in the next video, we're going to talk about dry bones, dry bones. The 5 whys of successful process development. This will discuss how to effectively question yourself and your process to see if you're doing it because it really works or only because it's always been done that way. So you won't want to miss that one. So watch for the email with the link coming up. I hope you found this to be a good use of your few minutes with me. And don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and hit the notification bell to ensure you get notified whenever we put up new technology talk videos. Take care, and until next time.